Alright, this is Leading Forex YouTube channel, and in this week I want to share with you my forecast for the week. I have 3 currency pairs that I want to share with you as a forecast for the week. Tomorrow is Monday, today is Sunday actually, 14th of the month February, the year 2020. It's actually a Valentine's Day. So to those of you who believe in Valentine, happy Valentine's Day. So on this channel today I have a forecast for you, a Valentine forecast if I will call it. So once the market opens, we will have to look at that. Okay, so my first currency pair is going to be GBPUSD. I have GBPUSD for you this week as a forecast. If I go to the weekly time frame and I will zoom in a bit so that we can see, this is what I see on GBPUSD. If I zoom in again, let me try zooming in again. Good. This is what I see currently as we speak. GBPUSD is around the neck of this chart here, and the price is sitting at 1.3852. so this is the neck of which this price is trying to go up there to break. Okay, but this neck here is also a resistance. It's a strong resistance, and traders who will want to trade it, this is weekly time frame. Okay, so this is where price is sitting. So traders might be saying that the neck has already been broken, or the resistance is broken, and so they are looking at the trade going up to this level here. That is what let me pick this so that yes, I can demonstrate. People will think that this is the neck actually. So once the neck is broken and we are deep inside the neck, then it means the resistance is broken, and that therefore they need to look at this top here as the next level to watch is key. That is what a lot of traders will be saying at this moment. But I also want to believe that yes, the fact that this trade will have to do that, they still have to at least try and come back again to a level here, at least to this level here. There's a level down here. I still believe that this trade had to come and touch this level here before going up to break this neck we are seeing here. So in the coming week, which begins tomorrow 15th, I want to believe that yes, this trade will make its way back a little bit. We're going to see a drop down again. There's going to be a drop down again to at least this level here, and if you look at it from this level, this is also a support. So I want to believe that this trade will have to come and pick this support here, yes, and then the same support level here before making its way back up to break or to touch this level up here. So if I go to the current price, this is what it is. So I believe that the price will have to come back and touch here. So you can see the support level. This is a support level here, this is a support level here, and I have already shown you that support level up here, and this is another support level here, another support level here. So the trade will have to come down back to test this level of support and then gather momentum back up again. So if you're going to be trading GBPUSD this week, then we need to look at a drop down back to test this level of support here. So we are looking at about 200 pips down. Yes, we are looking at about 200 pips down. Okay, that is what we are looking at. So if I go on the daily, this is what we are looking at. We are looking at about 200 pips down to this level here, to this territory here. That is what we are looking at. So let me zoom out so that you can see. So we are looking at this level here. All right, so we're looking at a sell back to test this level here, and then the momentum upwards again will mean the continuation of the trend. So this trend has been a buy trend. Okay, this has been a buy nice trend. If you look at it, it has been a nice uptrend for some, if I wouldn't lie, for some months now. Yes, this is on the monthly time frame. So for some months now, this trade has been making it way up. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In about 10 months now, GBPUSD has been on the up move. Okay, so on a buy trend. So that is what this trade is going to be. So if I switch to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the support clearly at this level. This is the level we are watching at this level. We are watching it from this level. Let me pick this line and draw. Yes, we are looking at this level here, but not just this level, but we are looking at this 2 levels. So these are the 2 levels we are watching on the 4-hour. So we're looking at this trade coming to touch this support here, and then coming back to test this support here, the second support here. So this can be your first TP, and then if you don't mind, maybe your second TP here, and then finally your third TP here. So this is what we are looking at. Okay, in terms of GBPUSD. So we expecting a sell back down to test these 3 areas, 1 2 3. So our first TP might be 1.37464, and our second TP might be 1.36878, and then our third TP might be 1.35796. So this is what we're looking at. It's a sell for GBPUSD in the coming weeks. So take note. This is my forecast for you, and you know how we do it on Leading Forex. So this is the first currency pair that I have for you in terms of forecast. So quickly, let me take my next currency pair. Let me clear this off. And take my next currency pair for us to look at it. So my next currency pair for you in this week is going to be EURUSD. So let me look at EURUSD. Yes, EURUSD. Okay, so if I look at monthly time frame, EURUSD has been on the sell trend. The trend has been a sell. Okay, it has been a sell for some months now, but at this level, as you can see, this is the trend. But if you look at the recent trend, it has been on a buy for how many months? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, almost 10 months now. Also, EURUSD has been on a buy trend for 10 months now, almost a year. we have about just 2 months to get a year. So in about a year now, EURUSD has been on the buy trend on the monthly time frame. So on the weekly, you will see the trend nicely. So on the weekly, you can see how the trend is. So this has been on a buy trend. Okay, so that is why those who do trend trading, they can be in a trend for like a year, 6 months, and they are in a trend. Okay, so if you catch a good trend, you can stay in it as long as you want. That is how good a trend can be. All right, so if you look at EURUSD, I'm forecasting a sell for EURUSD too, with what I have just told you. If you look at the weekly time frame, yes, you can see the neck here also. This is a great resistance area. From this level up to this level is a very great or strong resistance area. This is on weekly time frame, my people. And if I even go to the monthly time frame, you see the same thing. This is a very great resistance level. Okay, so if for nothing at all, this resistance must be respected. The first one is here, the second one is here, another resistance here, another resistance here. If I zoom out a bit, look at them. This is the first resistance level, the second resistance level on the monthly time frame, another resistance level here, another resistance level here. So these 3 resistance levels are very, very key. They are very strong resistance. This is on monthly time frame, and you can see how strong this resistance is. So this is the resistance. So it is not easy for this trade to just break the resistance like that. At least even if it will break it, there is a need for a respect to be given to this resistance. There should be a form of respect before finally a breakthrough it up will be possible. Do you get my analysis? So if that be the case, if I'll try to zoom out, then what is the respect we're going to gain from this very strong resistance level? We're going to look at it, and even if you look at Euro USD, you've seen the respect being made for the meantime. The respect being made, as you can see, the first candle has been, the first monthly candle here is a sell, and we are looking at another sell coming this way. The next candle being formed is also a sell, but even if there's going to be that respect, it must come up to this level. Up to this level, we are looking at this level being tested. Okay, so we're looking at this trade coming back down to test this level, or better still, maybe this level, if you don't mind, maybe this level before the up move will go up again or continue. All right, so we are looking at a reversal coming our way in the coming weeks. So we're looking at Euro USD sell starting from this coming week, Monday, which is 15th February. We should expect a sell. So if I zoom to the 4-hour and then I try to come down from the 4-hour level, this is what you will see. So you will see the respect that I told you about. This is a very strong resistance, and it is being respected for the meantime here, as you can see. So this is what it is, and this is what we might be expecting with Euro USD. Okay, so with Euro USD, we are expecting a sell. Okay, we are expecting a sell with Euro USD, a sell. So your target can be up to this level. Your first target can be up to this level. Your next target can be up to this level. So this is on the 4-hour. Okay, so we're looking at the first TP being 1.20338. Currently the price is 1.2118, 1.21180. that is the current price. So once the market opens, we are looking at our next target coming down to this level here, which is going to be somewhere 1.20257 as our first TP of about 75 pips. Then our next TP at 1.19569 as our next TP, and maybe if that is, if you feel like it's not enough, then you can look at the next TP here, which is at a price of 1.16350. But for now, I think this first two TP should be our focus. It should be our main target. Okay, these two should be our main target for Euro USD. All right, so that is that on Euro USD. So Euro USD is also a sell. It's also a sell starting from this week coming, that is on the 15th. On the 15th of February, we expecting the sell trend, or sorry, the reversal being a sell to happen. And if you look at it on the 4-hour, you can see the nice sell drop you are seeing here. That is on the 4-hour. Okay, this is on the 4-hour. So we might want to expect or see that happening. This is going to be something we might be looking at if I would draw this line. So we might be looking at something like this again. You see it? So this is what we are looking at now. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. So that is that. Maybe if I should draw this also here, this is what we might currently be looking at. Okay, yes, so we might be looking at this for now, or in the meantime. All right, so we might be looking at this channel for the meantime. So that is that with Euro USD. I think I've given you enough about this pair too. So let me move to the third pair for our week. Okay, the third pair is going to be GBPJPY. GBPJPY. So let me quickly go to GBPJPY. Let me get these things cleared off, then we can go to GBPJPY. So GBPJPY is next, and GBPJPY is here. So this is GBPJPY. All right, so just like I do it, let me start from monthly time frame. If you look at the monthly time frame here, GBPJPY, as you can see, for how many months? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, also 10 months now. it has been on a buy trend. It has been on a buy trend. This is monthly time frame, as you can see. You see, it has been on a buy trend. Although the overall picture, the structure is a sell. The structure is a sell, but the current trend is what we are looking at, which is a buy trend currently. Now, if you love what we are seeing, you can subscribe to our channel. We have more videos, forecast, and then video tutorials coming your way. All right, that's how we do on Leading Forex. So let's continue. If I switch to the weekly time frame, as you can see, we are on a very strong resistance level, a very strong one, of course, a very strong resistance level. That is where we are. And so even if we expect a test or drop back down, then we expect it to come back down to a level like this here, maybe to come and touch this level here again, come back to touch this level here, and then make its way up. People say GBPUSD and GBPJPY, they correlate, and correlation simply means they move together. That is what people say. The truth is, when you look at the general structure, they may move in one direction, but they do not move accordingly. They do not move together. Okay, they may have similar directions. Let me put it that way. They may have similar directions, but they do not move together. That is the argument I want to make. They may move in similar directions, but they don't move together. Is that okay? That is what I want to establish here. So yes, in the past 10 months, they have all been in buy position. Then doesn't mean that they move together. They are all in buy position, but their movement is different. Okay, yes, their movement is different. They move in the same direction, but their movement is different. Okay, so that is what I want to establish. Okay, so we are looking at a sell for GBPJPY2. So that is what it is. So if you go straight to the 4-hour time frame, this is what we see now. So where do we set our TPs? If we are selling GBPJPY, we have our first TP here. We can get our next TP somewhere here. So it's currently at a price of 145.346. so we can look at our first TP at 144.063, and maybe our next TP at 142.903. so these are our areas to watch for this week. Okay, starting 15th February 2021. So we can look at that from 15th of February 2021. That is when the market will be open for the week. So we can look at these pairs I have just shown you. These are the 3 pairs I want to give you. Other pairs are showing some nice signals, but I want to focus on these 3 for now. Okay, in the course of the week, if you are on my Telegram channel, I will definitely post new signals on the channel if I spot them. So you can join our Telegram page through the description of this video. When you join the description of this video, you will see the link to my Telegram page. You can join, and over there you will see what we do. It's a whole community on its own. All right, and everything we do there is free. We don't charge anything over there, unless you want one-on-one mentorship, or you want one-on-one coaching, or you want to join our VIP. That is where maybe you have to pay something, but even that amount you pay is nothing. Okay, that amount you pay is absolutely nothing if you compare to what other service providers are charging. Okay, so join our channel, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and also you can join our Telegram page for more videos. All right, so this is what we have for you in the coming week. On the Telegram page, if there's a need to modify anything, we'll let you know. All right, stay safe from COVID-19. It's real, so stay safe and be good always. Thank you. I'll see you again in our next video.